My video is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Lso3.xyz. Lso3.xyz. This is a deceptive pop-up attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. The pop-up tries to trick people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. These extensions, by the way, may operate as adware, as browser hijackers, as some fake system optimization tools, and other threats. Interacting with these pop-ups by Lso3.xyz is strongly not recommended because your browser may be changed as a result of such pop-ups, so you should not install anything that they suggest. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions, disable and remove them completely. Now, I also recommend that you research the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, and this is the way the program looks like. Click on Start Combo Scan. Before the scanning begins, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. I forgot to mention that initially the program is in the trial mode, but even the trial version of Combo Cleaner has got certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even with these three free features, your computer will be much improved and will work much faster. The antivirus is the part of the premium license, of course. Speaking about these pop-ups by Lso3.xyz, they may attack both Windows computers and Mac computers. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Even though some threats can be indeed removed manually, I do recommend upgrading to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your system always protected and free of any malware.